Dr. Nicholas has remained tight-lipped on the future trajectory of the Open Mainnet project, yet recent strides suggest that many of its milestones are edging closer to realization. This palpable momentum is underscored by a series of updates continuously rolled out by the PiCore team. The PiCore team has achieved significant milestones indicative of their unwavering commitment to the project's success. Here are some of the noteworthy accomplishments thus far. The backbone of any blockchain platform lies in its network infrastructure. The PiCore team has diligently worked to ensure that the Pi network remains stable and capable of handling high transaction volumes. Various upgrades have been implemented to optimize the network's performance, ensuring it operates at maximum efficiency. Hello viewers, we are grateful for your support and we promise to bring more juicy and up-to-date news relating to the Pi network. Kindly hit the like and subscribe to help us reach a greater audience. Let's continue. Security stands as a paramount concern in any blockchain endeavor. The PiCore team has implemented stringent security measures to safeguard the network against threats and attacks. These include advanced encryption algorithms, rigorous transaction verification mechanisms, and additional security protocols to protect user data. To enhance user experience, the PiCore team has introduced a slew of new features aimed at facilitating seamless interaction within the Pi ecosystem. These enhancements include a more intuitive user interface, improved analytical tools, and various integration options with third-party applications. The success of the Pi project is intricately tied to the robust support of its community. Comprising dedicated individuals, the Pi community has actively spearheaded initiatives to bolster Pi's adoption and awareness. Here are some initiatives undertaken by the Pi community. The Pi community actively organizes educational campaigns to heighten awareness and understanding of Pi and blockchain technology. Webinars, workshops, and question and answer sessions are conducted to assist new community members in grasping the intricacies of Pi's workings and benefits. The Pi community actively forges collaborations with other blockchain projects to expand the Pi ecosystem and foster synergies with projects sharing similar visions. To bolster application development within the Pi ecosystem, the Pi community provides various resources and support for developers, including access to technical documentation, development tools, and discussion forums for sharing ideas and solutions. With numerous milestones inching closer to fruition, the Pi community can embrace a sense of optimism toward the impending launch of the Open Mainnet. However, it is crucial to remember that quality and security remain paramount. Therefore, even as the next steps remain undisclosed, the PiCore team ensures that each decision serves the long-term benefit of all users. Despite significant progress, the Pi project still grapples with several challenges. As a global blockchain project, Pi must adhere to various regulations across different jurisdictions. The PiCore team continues to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations while maintaining innovation and flexibility. Scalability remains a major challenge in blockchain network development. The PiCore team is exploring avenues to enhance network scalability to accommodate the increasing user base and transaction volumes. Despite substantial community support, broadening user adoption is a continuing challenge. The PiCore team collaborates with the community to promote Pi usage and raise awareness of its benefits. The future of Pi appears promising, buoyed by a series of accomplishments and well-laid plans. The burgeoning blockchain ecosystem presents ample opportunities for Pi to emerge as a frontrunner in the industry. Here are some predictions and plans for Pi's future. The PiCore team intends to expand Pi's integration with various industries such as finance, healthcare, and logistics. Such integrations will unlock new avenues for Pi's utilization across real-world applications. Pi will continue to pioneer new technologies to enhance network functionality and security. Any research and development efforts will focus on areas such as smart contracts, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. With a robust community backing and maturing infrastructure, Pi plans to further its global expansion. This entails forging partnerships with companies and organizations across different countries to bolster Pi's adoption and usage. In an unprecedented move, the world of cryptocurrency is abuzz with the latest developments from Pi Network. The market is experiencing a surge of euphoria following the launch of peer-to-peer P trading for Pi Network Coin on the Athene Network platform. This announcement has brought fresh hope to investors and users, igniting excitement across the cryptocurrency community. Athene Network is a decentralized platform renowned for its innovative financial services and robust security measures. Selecting Athene Network as the venue for P2P trading of Pi Network Coin is a strategic move, offering a secure environment and various features that facilitate direct transactions between users. With this integration, Pi Network users can now enjoy greater flexibility in managing and trading their assets. The launch of P2P trading on Athene Network heralds significant potential for the value growth of Pi Network Coin. Since its inception, Pi Network has shown a steady upward trend, and this new trading capability could serve as a major catalyst for further value appreciation. Market analysts are optimistic that this step will enhance the liquidity and adoption of Pi Network Coin globally, opening new opportunities for investors. The Pi project has made substantial strides, underscored by the core team's accomplishments and unwavering community support. While challenges persist, the impending launch of the open mainnet instills optimism for a future brimming with benefits and new opportunities within the blockchain ecosystem. Stay tuned for further updates as we continue to monitor developments closely. Keep connected with the Pi community and stay abreast of the latest releases for the most current insights into the project's progression. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in the next. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons.